Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new App Developer Layout Pack. App development companies will definitely appreciate a layout pack as powerful as this one. It has all the page layouts needed to present app developer services, projects, portfolios, and more. And if that wasn't enough, there are a variety of unique custom icons, graphics, and illustrations that are free for you to use as well. So check it out. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new layout pack on your own website. Before you can start adding pre-made layouts with the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To do that, you'll need to go over to Divi, Theme Options, then click the Updates tab and enter your username and API key and click Save Changes. Now it's time to start the process of creating your new pages with their corresponding new pre-made layouts. To do that, you'll start by creating a new page by going to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Then select Choose a Pre-Made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll down until you see your App Developer Layout Pack and click on it. There you'll see a preview of all the different pages included in the layout pack. Go ahead and select the one that you want and then click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. You'll want to continue this process until you've created all of your pages with their corresponding pre-made layouts. And once you're done, you're ready to add a primary menu to your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus, give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. Over here on the left, you'll have a list of all of the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of them and then add them to your menu. Under your menu structure area, you can organize your menu items however you like, and don't forget to set your display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you'll want to add a static home page to your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page, and then for the home page, select the home page that you created with the home page layout. Then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the brand new App Developer Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack, and don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.